Can't find how to delete a flow in Klaviyo? You're not alone. Learn the exact 4 clicks to delete any flow in under 10 seconds. I'll show you the exact path, from opening flows to confirming the deletion, so you can clean up your account without any guesswork.
All right, let's get started by clicking on Flows.
Then, go ahead and click on Flows once more. Now, navigate to the flow you'd like to delete and click the 3-dotted line. Then, on that flow, click the 3-dotted line once more. Next, click on Delete. Click on Delete once more. After that, click on Delete Flow. And finally, click on Delete Flow again. And just like that, you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.